Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, November 17th. We continue with the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Compassion. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Lao Tzu. I have just three things to teach: simplicity, patience, compassion. These are your greatest treasures. Compassionate toward yourself, you reconcile all beings in the world. At first, we might ask, how can being compassionate to yourself reconcile all beings in the world? To understand this gift, we need to recall the analogy of the spoked wheel, in which each life is a separate and unique spoke, and yet all lives, like those spokes, meet in a common hub or center. That's why, when we tend to our deepest center, we can for all souls. Another powerful way to realize our interconnectedness is to imagine the human family as a stand of aspens growing by a river. Though each tree appears to be growing independently, not attached to the other, beneath the soil, out of view, the roots of all the trees exist as one enormous root system. And so, like these trees, our soul's growth, while appearing to be independent, is intimately connected to the health of those around us. For our spirits are entwined at center, out of view. Once realizing this, it becomes clear that we have no choice but to embrace the health of our neighbors as part of our own health. I felt this deeply in the many cancer rooms I sat in. I know these things to be true. In cutting off strangers, we cut off ourselves. In choking roots, we choke our own growth. In loving strangers, we love ourselves. Having come this far, I believe that Lao Tzu's third instruction tells us that if we are aware of our own suffering with the wish to relieve it, we will overcome distrust and re-establish a close relationship with all other living beings. In deep and lasting ways, when we heal ourselves, we really heal the world. For as the body is only as healthy as its individual cells, the world is only as healthy as its individual souls. Across the centuries, we have this timeless medicine: live directly, wait, and care for your soul as if it were the whole world. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath natural, nice and soft, remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix right now. This moment, just as it is already good enough, and it cannot be different. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness in your whole being, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to connect to your heart and feel how your heart constricts and dilates, just like your eyes do. Breathing slowly, see how you can care for your soul with each breath. Feeling your heart expand. Feeling your sense of self open. Feeling your sense of the world open as you care for your soul. How does that feel? Now place your hands on your heart, and we will send the energy of loving kindness to you first, and then to all living beings. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I feel my interconnectedness with the whole world. May I know deep, natural peace. And now let's send loving kindness to all beings. May all beings be filled with loving kindness. May all beings be well in body and mind. May all beings feel cared for, protected, at ease. May all beings know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now. Physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.